Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English and English.
This is a safe space for parents learning English.
We help you speak simple, clear, everyday English.
Today's topic is very important.
Asking your child about school in English.
You do not need difficult grammar.
You do not need perfect English.
You just need kind words and simple questions.
Let's start with the first question. How was school today?
This is the most common question parents ask.
Your child may answer with one word.
That is okay.
You can ask another simple question. Did you have a good day?
Or you can ask, "What did you do at school today?"
Now, let's talk about feelings.
Feelings are important.
You can ask, were you happy at school today?
Or, did anything make you sad?
If your child shares feelings, listen calmly.
You can say, "Thank you for telling me."
This makes your child feel safe. Now, let's talk about classes.
Here is a very easy question. What did you learn today?
Your child may say math, English, science.
You can respond with interest.
Now, let's talk about difficulty.
Sometimes children don't say much, but this question helps.
Was it easy or hard?
This question is helpful because it gives your child two clear choices. They don't need long English to answer.
If your child says hard, stay calm. Do not rush to fix everything.
First, listen. Listening shows care and support.
Now, let's talk about the teacher.
Talking about the teacher helps parents understand the classroom experience. Do you like your teacher?
You can also ask, is your teacher kind?
No matter what your child says, stay calm.
Even if the answer surprises you, don't show anger or worry right away. That's good to know.
This response tells your child, "It's safe to talk to me."
Friends are a big part of school.
Children often remember friends more than lessons. Who did you play with today?
Or you can ask, did you play with your friends?
If your child talks about a problem with friends, don't interrupt.
Let them finish first. I am here for you.
This sentence is very powerful. It shows love, not pressure.
Sometimes school is hard.
This is normal for every child.
Parents should not feel scared to ask about problems. Is anything difficult for you at school?
Ask this question in a calm voice. Your tone matters. If your child says math is hard, do not blame the child.
Instead, think about support. Math is hard for my child. What can I do?
She can stay after school for help.
Thank you so much. Practice a little every day. Before we finish today, we want to say thank you for listening.
If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to our channel.
We share simple English conversations for daily life and for parents.
You can also leave a comment below.
Tell us where you are listening from or what topic you want next. Your comments help us make better lessons for you.
And if you know someone who needs simple English practice, please share this video with them.
Thank you for being here.